Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to disable notifications on lock screen on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm going to show you on my phone there is a notification, one notification like this, yeah guys. And also on my lock screen there are notifications too. And if you wanna disable it, notification from my lock screen, you just have to go to this settings page and now scroll it down a little until we'll find the notifications options. And after, choose here for the notifications on lock screen, tap on it. If you wanna disable or remove the notification from your lock screen, you just have to choose the third option, which is don't show any notifications. Now it will say automatically, and I'm gonna check it first. I'm gonna turn off my phone. There are notifications again on my lock screen, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.